Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to move the page number in Google Docs. Adjusting the position of page numbers helps us format our document exactly the way we want. We will walk through the steps to change and move the page number easily. Let's get started. In Google Docs, we can insert or move a page number by clicking Insert in the upper left part of the screen. Click Insert, then go to Page Elements. Under Page Elements, we can see the Page Numbers option. With page numbers, we can choose the format we need. For more choices, just click the More Options button. Now, let's click the page number option on Header. Here, we will see different templates. We just need to pick the one that fits our needs. If we want to try a different one, we can go back, click Insert, go to Page Elements, and choose Page Numbers again. Let's choose another template so we can see the different options available. As we can see, there are options to place page numbers in the header or footer. It all depends on where we prefer them to appear. To move the page number, we simply select the position we prefer, either the footer or the header, depending on what we need. And that's it. We have successfully moved the page number in Google Docs. Our document now looks more organized and professional.